Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Jyoti from Angie and Joe's channel, and today we are going to do a book haul. So I have got lots of books. Some of them I've already showed you in the last video, but after that also we got lots and lots of books. So I'll be showing all of these books to you today. So without further ado, let's go to the video. So the first book that I got is this one. So again, a classic. So I got this one from Amazon, the Wordsworth classic. So it's Tress of the Herbables by Thomas Hardy. It is one of the very popular book. I have this book in my Kindle, but I wanted a paperback. So I have this obsession sometimes that even if I have a book in my Kindle or I have the audiobook, I end up buying the paperback book because sometimes I have this mentality of that I need to touch the book, I need to see what is written in it physically, not in my Kindle. So sometimes I do that thing. So yes, this book is because of that. So yes, I have not yet started reading it, so this is something that I am looking forward to read. The other book that I got recently is this one, The Mysterious Benedict Society. This one. It's a story about four kids. So all four of them are very brilliant, and how they go to an island for something which was described in the book, and then how they form a society kind of a thing. So actually why I got this book is because recently I saw a series based on this particular book, and with my kids, and we really enjoyed it. And when they got to know that this book is based on this series is based on a book, they wanted to read this book. And they have this recently got this craze of reading the mysteries. So they want to read this book because the series is not yet completed. It is still going on, so they don't know the entire story as of now. So yes, for that we got this one, and it's really fun to read and really nice book. So that was book number 2. The next we have is this version. So this was an abridged version of A Bleak House by Charles Dickens. So again, this is for kids. So again, it's a Charles Dickens book, and I wanted them to read this book because I don't want them to read the entire book as of now. So yes, I thought maybe an abridged version is something, if they really want to read it, they can probably pick this one. So yes, and again, why they picked this book is because when they were reading this book, one of the kid mentioned that he recently, the last book that he read is Bleak House. So yes, that's how we picked this book. The next book that I got recently is this one, with a very beautiful cover, The Girl Who Drank the Moon. So yes, the cover is really pretty, and I've heard so much about this book that I really wanted to read it. Good reviews are there about this particular book, so I thought of picking this one, The Girl Who Drank the Moon. And yes, again, I'm looking forward to read this one. The other two books that I picked recently is this one, The Secret Garden. I've already read this one, and I've also talked about this in my vlog. So this book is again a kids book, but it is really beautiful book, beautiful writing, beautiful theme, everything is nice. I really love this book. This is like one of the favorite book of this year that I read. So the next one that I got is this one, Sach Kahun To by Neena Gupta, an autobiography. This again, I have read this one, and it is like really light read and beautifully written book, not like too heavy, but yes, it talks about her struggle as an actor and how she came to displays after all those struggle is what is in this particular book. So yes, these were the books that I wanted to talk, but we have a surprise here. This is my surprise. I have the entire pack of The Witcher. So it has 8 books in it. Oh, I'm holding it upside down. Yes. So yes, this is the book, the entire set of The Witcher. So many of you might be knowing that The Witcher is also a series which is there on OTT, and it's quite famous, and even the books are quite famous. So there are 5 parts in the Witcher series, and there are, I think, 3 standalone books also in this pack. So this was one of my birthday gifts, and I am, like, you know, really looking forward to read this book, because I've heard so much good thing about the show, and I don't want to see the show before I read it. So yes, this is one big surprise for me, because I was not aware that I'm going to get this one for this birthday, and yes, I'm really looking forward to read this one. Was the book haul all about for this video. So if you like this video, do click on the like button, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos related to books, skincare, makeup, sometimes baking as well, and yes, a lot more in between. So yes, bye bye, take care.